Hey everyone, my name is Kenta and welcome to this video all about how to create a bunch of content as effectively as possible, specifically content with captions. How do we create that? Now, I am always trying to build a personal brand for myself, for my businesses, and I know if you've clicked on this, it might be the same for you. You're either building a personal brand, you're building a brand for a client, or maybe for your founder, your CEO, somebody in your company, or simply you're using video as a tool for your content marketing needs. Now, oftentimes you're going to also be thinking, how do I create as much content as possible, as quickly as possible? Because time is, of course, money, and who wants to sit around using Adobe Premiere or whatever other tool trying to get captions in there and making sure that everything is aligned and repurposed and all of that. So today, I'm going to show you how I create content, a lot of content, as fast as possible. Now, the first step is, of course, to create content. So what I do is I will come over and just grab QuickTime or any other tool that's going to help you video yourself. Loom is also a great video tool. So of course I'm using Loom right now, but just as an example, I'll show you. So I'll just come on. Don't worry so much about the quality. If you like, you can grab yourself something like a Sony. I think it's strange it doesn't have the branding on it. It's also strange. I don't know what camera this is. But you can grab a camera like this, whatever your preference is, whatever your budget is. But for now, use the webcam that you have with your computer. And all you're going to do is you're going to come in here, you're going to record yourself. Hey, my name is Kenta, and I've been doing content marketing for the last X years. And today I'm here to tell you all about the #1 tip for converting clients using video content. All right, follow along. It's as simple as that. So super simple. Just use what you have and make as many pieces of content as possible. I'm going to call that content. Now, once you have that piece of content, you're going to want to format it in a way that's going to work well with social media. Now, if you've noticed with social media, a lot of times you're going to want to have captions. The reason why you're going to want to have captions is because people are busy. People are maybe watching your video on LinkedIn or Instagram or even YouTube, right? And you're going to want to have captions directly on that screen. The second thing is using some sort of graphic to title your video is actually going to increase the attention because people are going to know exactly what they're watching. And usually the trick is to have your copy be the thing that people want to learn. So you can say something like the one tip that booked me my first 10K client. Then people are going to go, what is that tip? And they'll want to stick around and watch it. Okay, so once you have that video, I'm going to show you how to create that graphic content. You're going to come to a tool called milk.video. This is a tool that I often use, and you'll see once you come into the dashboard how often I use it for my own needs. You can see all the different files that I've put in here. And all you're going to do is drop that file of the video that you shot right into the uploader. And what it's doing now, in the way that it's processing it, it's going to start to automatically caption and basically shoot out a transcription that you'll also be able to use as a blog or whatever that is for you. Okay, now I'm not going to wait for it for the sake of brevity because I already have a bunch of videos. So let's come down here to one of these videos so I can show you what I mean. Let's see, testimonial video. Okay, so this is a video I had made before for another milk video. So all you're going to do here is now, again, look, you already have the caption. You're going to grab your entire video. You're going to click C, clip section. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to create as video. Now, you can come over here and say customize more, and it'll take you to a dashboard where you have a lot more accessibility around how you want to style it. But we're talking about the quickest way to create content today. So all you have to do from here is just click square, which is usually a good ratio for something like LinkedIn, right? Mobile. I typically like this look where I have the videos on top, and then just select a color selection that works well for you. I think I'm going to go this color today. And then I just click download, and that's it. So now they'll email you once the video is ready to go. Otherwise, it will look like this in the download section. You'll come over to the downloads. You're just going to say download video, and then save video as, and download it wherever to make sure that you're measuring to add it. Now, the traction, you can put a call to action. Just like that, you're going to have captions added, and it's going to be automatically filling in itself. It's animated, which is really cool. So that's it. Give it a try. So just as a recap, how do you make content as quickly as possible for your personal brand without getting too fancy? Of course, use whatever camera, use the camera that you have. If it's a camera like this, if it's a camera like this, or if it's simply your webcam or your iPhone, whatever it is, use what you have, shoot your content, put it into Milk Video, and basically just choose how you want to format it. It'll come with the automatic captions, download it, and done. Now imagine how if you just sat down and just talked into the camera and created 5 different pieces of content, batched it into Milk Video, boom, boom. Probably within 30 minutes, you have 5 pieces of content you can share. Okay, good luck and give that a try.